we present the lightest impact wrench whose power amounts to 2,800 Newton-meters, which is YATO YAT 0961. In a moment, we will present the design, application and technical parameters of the wrench. Efficient service. Here, complex repairs of vehicles are performed if they require an intervention of a mechanic. The repairs are indispensable to maintain the transport conditions, which permit to realize the most difficult road tasks. There is only one condition: the service must be as impeccable as the tools. The presented impact wrench YATO YT 0961 is just going to be used for a lorry wheel. The lightest impact wrench, 7.6 kilograms, is the 1-inch class, whose power amounts to 2,800 Newton-meters. Magnesium reinforcement, composite body, 4,800 rotations per minute, full control of the power. The lowest weight in the 1-inch wrench class, solely 7.6 kilograms. The wrench has been designed for professional use in mechanical and vulcanization workshops and garages. Unusual combination of many perfectly complementary features and parameters. The lowest weight thanks to the application of new generation materials, which are exceptionally light and resistant. The body and internal elements are made in accordance with modern technologies of magnesium alloys, which guarantee resistance to wear and tear and mechanical damage. The external casing is made of composite materials, which guarantee mechanical and thermal resistance as well as a low weight. Please note the excellent design in accordance with the latest worldwide tendencies. Shaft, made of alloyed steel. Casing of the impact mechanism, made of magnesium alloy. Impact mechanism. Twin hammer. The modern construction of the impact mechanism must be pointed out. Its idea consists in an exceptionally efficient double beater characterized by strong and uniform strokes. Pneumatic motor. Casing of the motor, made of composite materials. Handle. Made of magnesium alloys and composite materials designed in a manner providing the highest ergonomic properties and resistant to impact. The modern technology offers exceptional performance and technical parameters of the presented wrench. The most important parameters are the following: power 2,800 Newton-meters and weight 7.6 kilograms. Their excellent relation permits to achieve high performance parameters in the tire service. Lighter, more efficient, faster. Thanks to its advantages, the YATO wrench permits to increase the number of dismantled wheels by up to 30%, which in turn permits the service center to increase the profits in a simple manner. A well thought out and tested distribution of the handle zones and control elements guarantees a full and efficient control of the huge power. Precise operation of the elongated head for the purpose of removal and tightening of the biggest nuts in the wheels and of the biggest vehicles. Low weight, huge power and modern technology make us always lead the industry. YATO